Hey you guys, it's me back with another video, and today I'm showing you how I go from this to what you saw in the beginning. So I washed the wig. I'm using my Carol's Daughter moisturizer. I mixed up some oils and I wet my hair previously to this. I did not wash it because I was doing this in a hurry. From start to finish, this style probably took me about 20-25 minutes. So right now you see that I'm oiling my hair, moisturizing it, and braiding it down. Do not pay any mind, you guys. I'm trying to grow my sides back out. So yeah, I'm spraying heat protectant on my wig and I'm blow drying it out. Normally I let it air dry, but I didn't have time. Right now I'm just jamming it out. Hey Odell. He woke up from a nap and he was like, okay mommy, I'm gonna watch you. So I'm throwing some curls in them. I'm not the best curler in the world, but I think I do pretty well. More heat protecting. So like I said, this style really didn't take me any time. I threw enough curls and straightened out just enough to be cute. I was actually going somewhere, so I decided to film this for you guys. I hope you really did enjoy it, because I wanted to film something different because people are always asking me about my hair. Yeah, I put my own color into this hair. It's a wig by Maven. One of my friends gave it to me, and yeah, it's a lace front. I did glue it down, but I didn't show that part. But there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like it, comment, subscribe. If you want to see more, let me know. Thanks you guys.